Hi there. Thanks for joining me today. I was really hoping I was going to have the flip-throughs for the Prima Donnas ready and possibly get them listed in my shop before I go in to get my eye surgery done today. But that just isn't going to happen. So I wanted to let you know, because I know sometimes I will get messages from people saying, did you list them? Did I miss it? Or, that sort of thing. And I just want to let you know, no, they have not been listed yet. So no worries. And I will absolutely give you notice well ahead of time before they do get listed, but it could be a little while before I do that. And but in the meantime, wish me luck, because you're probably watching this around the same time that I'm over at my little local hospital getting my right eye fixed. So it's I'm hoping it's going to be pretty cool by later on today if I close my left eye and just view the world out of my right eye. They say that your vision improves like by the hour after this surgery, and I'm just so excited about it. So wish me luck, keep me in your thoughts, and have no fear about the ladies. They will be available for sale very soon, but I was hoping to do it prior to getting my cataract surgery done, and that's just not going to happen. So we will talk soon, probably by the weekend. And in the meantime, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll let you know how it all goes. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.